Hi, I would like to talk about a new tool for create reports from RhinoGold. Now we have a model. It's a simple ring with 3 stones. Remember that from real-time render we can apply materials. Now these materials have physical properties. It means that now RhinoGold controls the material, the weight, automatically when you apply the material for rendering. Okay? Then now, if we go to a Jolie report list, show us this report. In the first tab we have the list of the stones. Okay, we have the quantity, the type, the size, the weight and the component. Okay. The second option is all the metals that we have in our model. In this case, as we have the ring, okay, then we have information about the name of the object. It can be a reference if we want, and also we can edit here, reference. Okay, the material that we use, the weight and the size. Okay, the size also is interesting if you are thinking to prototype. Obviously now just we have one because just we have one in our document. Okay, this is limited. Okay, if we have several models, automatically are listed. Okay, the third option is the calendar. Okay, RhinoGold now is recording the time that you invest to model. Okay, this design. Okay, it's really interesting because it's completely transparent for the user. Okay, you don't need to select nothing, activate nothing, just work as always. Okay, this is just a sample of the calendar. Some words are in Spanish because all this text is from the Windows. Okay, I have the Windows in Spanish. Then, okay, if you have another language, automatically it will be translated in your language. Okay, then in this calendar we can see the view by day, by week, by month, and by year. Okay. Let me show you that you can edit that. Okay, this is generated automatically, but you can, for example, delete. Okay, you can modify. Okay, and just a point. Now when I'm modifying the values, automatically show the total hours. Okay, it means if I reduce that, okay, obviously if I move it's the same time. Okay, then I can move. Okay, also I can double click, okay, and edit. Okay, design, whatever. Okay, other interesting thing is we can control the manufacturing process here too. Okay, for example, now we invest this time. Okay, now I will add a new one. I can double click, okay, and automatically I can modify and apply other color for manufacturing. For example, I want to select this color and I want to find this is prototyping. Okay, then I will start the prototyping, the 8th. Okay, also I can modify, okay, the time, and just a trick. Okay, now is in a half an hour, but we can press the key Alt, okay, and we have more and more precision. Okay, this is really interesting. Other thing is with control we can copy. For example, if we need to create 2 prototypes, we can copy that. Okay, and automatically we have the time of both process. Okay, it's really interesting. Obviously I can change the day, the week, whatever. Great. Then now we have a control automatically about all the design time and manufacturing time that we invest in this project. Okay, and completely automatically. Great. The last thing is create the report. Okay, here we have all information, but now in this window I can create the report. Automatically assign the name of the project. I can say my ring, okay, and the customer is TDM Solutions, of course. Okay, and here we have some icons. Okay, the first one is for import all the stones that we have on the list. Okay, I can click and automatically I have the same information that I have here. Okay, 2 quantities. Okay, but now I have the option to define the price per unit. Okay, I will use not real prices, but I will put 200. Okay, automatically 2 per 200. Okay, and the total is here. I think it's really easy. Then this one will be 250. Great. Then the next step can be import the metals. Okay, I can click here and say import automatically the metal. I have the reference, the material, the weight, okay, and now I can type the price of the unit. Okay, in this case it's 4 grams, but I can check from RhinoGold report the current price of the gold. Okay, how we can do that? Just clicking on this icon. Okay, this icon connect automatically to Kitco. Okay, and show us different markets. Okay, we have the market of US, we have the European market from Canada, China, okay, South Africa. But now I have the information about the gold in Europe. Is the price per kilo is 29,600. Okay, then I can see in real time, okay, the price of the gold. This is really interesting. Then the gram is 29.6. Great. Okay, and it's 29.6. We can go to the calculator. It's 29.6 per the grams. Great. We have this information here, and we type. Great, and we have the total. Also, we can add the time that we invest in the design, modeling, and manufacturing. Just clicking here. Okay, and automatically migrate the hours, okay, that we invest. Then in this case, I repeat, the price are not real. Okay, I define 40 and 40. Okay, and other interesting thing is we can add automatically works. Okay, for example, I can click here and add all the tasks. Okay, for example, the seated labor, the in-house labor, outsourced labor, profit, okay, prototype, whatever. Okay, this is really interesting. These values are by default, but I can come here and say custom. Okay, and here I can add, for example, I want to add the prototype. Okay, that's it. The next time that I click, it will appear. Other thing is, for example, I don't want to include the seated labor. I can click here and delete. Okay, just press delete key. Okay, it's really easy. Then I will say, okay, in-house labor is 5 hours and the price is 30. Okay, and outsourcing will be, for example, 50. Great. We can add anything that we want. Just type here. Okay, remember prototype or casting. Okay, whatever. Okay, I will define one quantity of casting. I don't know, for example, 10 euros. Great. Then one time we have this information that we can add all that we want. Okay, we can print that. Okay, then I come to print. I select the printer. Okay, I have Adobe PDF. Okay, but you can use all the printers that you want. And print. Okay, I define a name. For example, report. And let me show you. Automatically create a report with the project name, okay, the customer name, and so on. All the description that we define, all the metal list with the name, gold, and so on. And also, of course, we have the calendar of the task. Okay? And then here I can print, send by email, whatever. Okay? Other interesting thing about this tool is I can do it from RhinoGold, or I can install RhinoGold report without has installed RhinoGold. Okay? Then I can come here and just say I want to export the report. Okay? Then it's my report, and then I can send to other colleague, and this colleague can open with RhinoGold report and create the report. Okay? It means is usually in small companies the people who model create the reports and so on. Okay, but in medium and big companies it's interesting that you create the report and automatically other guy can calculate the prices and so on. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much, and thank you for your opinions and your emails in the beta process of RhinoGold 3.0. And of course, if you have any idea or any requirement, please let me know. Thank you very much.